Death may beget life, but oppression can beget nothing other than itself. There was something very comfortable in having plenty of stationery. Life is made of so many partings welded together. Detestation of the high is the involuntary homage of the low. Sudden shifts and changes are no bad preparation for political life. Vengeance and retribution require a long time. It is the rule. Perhaps second-hand cares, like second-hand clothes, come easily off and on. Nothing that we do is done in vain. I believe, with all my soul, that we shall see triumph. Then tell the wind and fire where to stop, but don't tell me. Spring is the time of year when it is summer in the sun and winter in the shade. Scattered wits take a long time in picking up. She had curiously thoughtful and attentive eyes that were very pretty and very good. There is nothing in the world so irresistibly contagious as laughter and good humor. If they would rather die, said Scrooge, they had better do it, and decrease the surplus population. I confess I have yet to learn that a lesson of the purest good may not be drawn from the vilest evil. He knew enough of the world to know that there is nothing in it better than the faithful service of the heart. Don't be afraid. We won't make an author of you. While there's an honest trade to be learned, or brick-making to turn to. No varnish can hide the grain of the wood, and that the more varnish you put on, the more the grain will express itself. For it is good to be children sometimes, and never better than at Christmas, when its mighty founder was a child himself. Dignity, and even holiness too, sometimes, are more questions of coat and waistcoat than some people imagine. While there is infection in disease and sorrow, there is nothing in the world so irresistibly contagious as laughter and good humor. When the time comes, let loose a tiger and a devil, but wait for the time with the tiger and the devil chain not shown yet always ready. It was one of those March days